welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. It's been a while since I talked about the farm on this channel, so you guys are in for a treat because yeah, we are going to share with you a few snippets of what we are about to do. I'm here with my business partner, I'm here with my brother as well, and yeah, so you guys, right now we are More! What? Why are you finyaing it?
I'm not finyaing it.
You come here and then you separate it like that. Oh Lord, it's become tired.
Just check for the teeth.
No more.
It's like any other normal mama. Check for the teeth.
Have you held it strong?
It's shaky.
More, it's a mama. B, yeah. Look.
That's the vagina.
That's the vagina. Have you zoomed in?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, that's how you check. If you, this one, it's a straight line, it's a mama.
For your teeth?
Yeah, so that's how you check. It's a lady. So guys, we are trying to mate one of our females with one of our bucks, and that's how it's done. Once it falls, that means it's worked.
I can look at the hand.
It's not falling, it's not worked yet.
I can look at the hand.
Yeah. More, a book of pick for me that one. That it could be a snake.
That would be so funny that it gets hammered there. Hey, look at it run.
So guys, today is one of the day out where I remove them with my brother and my business partner for them to enjoy the grass, the sun, and eat. You guys, they are so happy. Can you tell? They're just like, it's outside! So yeah. Guys, can you count them? How many are there? Comment down below. How many kittens or kids can you see? Comment down below. Yay! This is the one who told them which grass to eat. Hi, Mama. Come, I want you guys to say hi to one. B, say hi to the vlog. That's the hi. Hi, B. None of them want to be taken to say hi. Come say hi. Come. Ooh. So guys, this is a kitten. It's Grazing. This is one of them. So let me give you guys a brief story. So rabbits basically take 30 days to be born, and then after the 30 days they stay 1 month with their mom to suckle, and if you can tell, this is like 1 month, 1.5. So yeah, they suckle, and then now from there you introduce hay, you introduce grass like we've just done, and pellets and things like that, so that they can grow even more. Hi, you go down. Yeah, so here they are, and they're everywhere. They're so happy to be outside. Look at them. They're so happy. And this one's just here next to me. So yeah, guys. Today we look, run! Look, run! Yeah! Tell the people what you're doing. What are you doing? How is it going?
Bitten by mosquito.
Oh, so show us what you've done since you're. So yeah, Andrew is measuring the walls. It's the walls, the top, the floor, and the sides. Yeah. So I've decided, this is another part of the cage. It's quite long. Yeah, so I've decided I want to walk I want to ask them if they can make us a sample so that we can be able to use the samples for the future cage design.
Moments later.
Guys, business is sad. So after all the measuring, and I went to like two, what are they called, those guys who fix chuma, and they were just like, hey madam, hii kukutengeneza itakuwa expensive, hii tu nunua kutoka kwa wenye wana import from China and all. But I don't know, he kind of gave me tips on where to buy and who to buy from, because I think what happens, there are those who import from China, then there are the ones who sell, then now there are others who buy in bulk and sell. So it's like we either buy directly from the guys who are importing, or we import them ourselves, which I feel like is better. So yeah, anyway, it's a lesson learned. You guys, let me tell you, you learn business on your, like, vitu kwa ground ni different. And I think I've said that in my challenges I've faced in business. So we are learning. We're not going to complain. We're going to take it head on and keep the work, keep the grind, you know. So let's go. Start putting up one set of cages with my bee before it gets too dark, because it looks like it wants to rain, you guys. Let me show you. Like, that looks like rain, you guys. Look, that looks like rain. So we are putting up the floor of the cage. B is the handyman. Yeah, so yep, that's pretty much what we are doing. It just wants to run. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 17. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in the farm. I'm gonna bring you guys back more this coming week, so stay tuned for more rabbit farm videos. Thank you so much, guys, and yeah, bye. Subscribe. Aya, we close out.